Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Meer Shima and I once again welcome you to P News English headlines. Passengers filmed pushing airplane off runway in Nepal. Footage of a group of people pushing an airway is being widely shared online. Ghulam Nabi Azad on the verge of launching new party and has shown apprehension for the Congress party winning 2024 elections. Omicron threat. Jammu and Kashmir tightens rules for international travelers aimed Omicron variant. NC senior leader Ehsan Pardesi held conference in Srinagar and demanded revoke of order which asked people of BB Camp to pay tax. WHO chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan came up with a statement that Omicron could displace Delta. CBSE English paper for class 12 renewed as thought-provoking and critical, students claim. High Court asked government of J&K and Ladakh to take conscious decision with regard to renewal of lease deeds in ski resort Gulmarg. Budgam police busts gang of burglars. 7 arrested, stolen property worth more than 5 lakhs recovered. Now, before going through the news headlines in detail, let's have a look at today's cartoon published in Srinagar Times. News headlines in detail. Srinagar Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad has been tight-lipped about the rumours of launching new party but has been tangentially critical of the Congress party that he publicly came up with a statement that he cannot see Congress winning 2024 elections. The unusual sight of a group of people pushing an airplane off a runway is going viral on social media. Passengers at an airport in Nepal were filmed pushing the Tata airplane on Wednesday. According to Nepal News, the plane's rear tire burst while landing at Bajura airport in Kolti, because of which it was unable to move off the runway. World is facing the new variant Omicron of COVID-19. The administration in J&K has sprung into action. The administration has chalked out new rules which state that official quarantine to continue till test reports come.
श्रीनगर एयरपोर्ट पर जितने भी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर्स हैं उनका RT-PCR टेस्ट मैंडेटरी कर दिया गया है और जब तक RT-PCR उनकी रिपोर्ट नहीं आएगी दे विल बी अंडर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव क्वारंटीन। ये SOP है, वेरिएंट कोई भी हो, चाहे वो अल्फ़ा, बीटा, डेल्टा, लैम्डा, ठीक है, और अब ओमिक्रॉन भी आ गया, कोई भी वेरिएंट हो, हमारी जो स्ट्रेटजी है, हमारी जो अप्रोच है वो वही है, जो मूल मंत्र है, जो फंडामेंटल्स है वो चेंज नहीं होते।
Chief Justice Pankaj Mittal and Justice Muhammad Akram asked the government to take decision more precisely within 3 months. The direction came after the court was informed that almost all land in Gulmarg is leased and hotel owners were leased out land for a particular period. The students who appeared for CBSE 12 English core paper reviewed that their question paper was tricky and lengthy and even claimed that most of the options were similar and stated that they were not able to comprehend paper properly. Residents living within the jurisdiction of Badami Bagh cantonment have been served property tax bills in October from the board, and now the board has sent them the warrant asking them to pay tax, while some of them have received property attachment notices asking them to clear the tax amount or face attachment proceedings.
इलाका पटवारा, शिवपुरा, इंदिरा नगर और पार्टली सनवार का एरिया आता है। हाल ही में बदामी बाग अथॉरिटीज़ वालों ने इन जो यहाँ के बाशिंदे हैं उनको एक वारंट ऑर्डर इशू किया गया है। ये वारंट ऑर्डर जो है इट इज़ रिगार्डिंग नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्सेस, लेकिन ये वारंट ऑर्डर जो है ये स्टेट करता है कि आपकी प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो अटैच की जा सकती है। तो मैं ऑनरेबल लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर साहब से ये मुतबाना अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि वो इस मामले में इंटरवीन करें और बादामी बोर्ड कैंटोनमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ वालों से ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इन हालातों में जहाँ यहाँ हर एक बाशिंदा जो है एक तनाव भरी ज़िंदगी में उलझा हुआ है, अपनी 100 परेशानियों में उलझा हुआ है। ये एक अनवारंटेड ऑर्डर है।
Budgam police busted a gang of burglars and arrested 7 members who stole property worth lakhs of rupees. Police station Magam received a complaint from Mansoor Ahmad Sheikh, son of Gulanabi Sheikh, resident of Bhatpura, Kanihama, regarding a burglary at his workshop, Mansoor Automobiles, located at Magam. FIR was registered at police station Magam and investigation was taken up. During the course of investigation, after strenuous efforts, some suspects were rounded up for questioning. During questioning, one suspect, namely Imran Hassan Mir, resident of Kakapura, Meerganj Patan, confessed his involvement in the above case. That was all for today. Thank you so much. See you in next bulletin. Till then, take care of yourself. Fi Amanillah.